Want to grow your own fresh vegetables at home? Like, share, and subscribe to Grow Your Own Vegetables for simple gardening tips.
What to do when you get a freeze after planting?
Okay, he says, gosh, I planted the garden, both direct seed and seedlings. It's Monday. This Thursday we expect a 20-degree night. What can I do? Oh, I feel your pain, Tim. Totally feel your pain. So I took a look at your weather, and so if it's just a couple nights, and it looks like it's 2 nights that it's going to be cold, and I thought last I looked at your weather, it looked like it said 30-something, but you might not be right in that town that you say you're in. You might be outside of it. So, so if it's getting down for 2 nights and then it's going to come back up above freezing, is there any way you can quickly add a lid? And this may not be possible to quickly add a lid. These are some more permanent solutions to a lid, where it's like a wood frame and either a piece of plastic, a hard piece of plastic, or a piece of glass, or even finding old windows to lay down. The image in the middle is straw bales used to build the walls, so insulate them and then put windows down. So anything to insulate the area, if that's possible. Another idea is blankets. These are like emergency blankets. If you have to protect them from frost, you could also try, if you have some plastic jugs, to cut the bottoms off of them and put them over the plants as another way to protect them. What will happen is that you'll get a little bit of sunlight heating up those jugs, and then at night the frost would happen on the outside, and it would protect the plant from the cold. So those are 2 emergency situations. Maybe you can think of one of those. And then in the long run, I would recommend getting yourself some of that row cover, since you are in an area where the temperatures are like sporadic. It's like 70 degrees, 30 degrees, 70 degrees, 30 degrees. You might want to think about one of these row covers, one of these like low hoops where you put the little arches into the ground and then lay down the fabric, and that row cover is going to be what can help to increase your temperatures quite a bit and keep them from frosting. So that's a couple of ideas for you.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And for more simple and practical gardening tips, subscribe to Grow Your Own Vegetables. For more tips and updates, visit gyov.org and join our growing community.